You can create viewpoints by clicking Viewpoints in 4D Review tab. Right click, Add. Now I am putting some comments. Okay. Now in Viewpoints, right click, Add. Viewpoint 2. Okay. Right click, Add. Viewpoint 3. Okay. Now if I click Viewpoint 1 and activate in all 3D view, then the Viewpoint 1 will be activated. Now click Viewpoint 2 and select Activate in all 3D views. You can see the Viewpoint 2 is now activated. And if you click on Viewpoint 3, activate all in views, you can see the Viewpoint 3. So in this way you can create viewpoints. Now go to 3D view properties. Click on 3D notations, and here you can off the comments. In 4D review tab, another important tool is cutting plane. You can use cutting plane by x-axis, y-axis, z-axis and cutting box. If you select cutting plane X, then the x-axis cutting plane will be activated. If you change the cutting plane to Y, cutting plane Y, then you can see the Y cutting plane is activated. You can deactivate the cutting plane X also. Right click, cutting plane, deactivate this, or you can go to the 3D view properties and cutting plane, and you can on off the cutting plane. Okay, and if you select the cutting plane Z, okay, you can off, you can control off or on the cutting planes from 3D view properties. Again go to cutting plane and select cutting box, and from here you can select the box area. Go to 3D tab and box. You can draw 3D boxes, sphere, cylinder, extrusion, and text and textual plane. Go to boxes and select cylinder. You can assign to existing resources, or you can assign to a new resources, or no assign. Or you can create sphere also, or box also. Or you can write text also. Okay.